First of all, solve each of the following inequalities in questions 1 to 16. In each case, graph the solution set on a number line. So, first things first, I'm going to set myself up a nice number line. Going to start at, I don't know, -5, just because I'm going to be using this for all my answers. So -5, -4, -3. There's no reason why I should start at -5. I just think it will get all my answers in this line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now, just a quick revision on what we did the last day. Now, can anybody tell me what's x smaller than or equal to 3, x element n? What does the n stand for? Now, forget about all the questions for the time being. These questions don't exist for the next minute. Okay, so they don't exist. What does x less than or equal to 3 mean? What? All the numbers that are smaller than or equal to 3. And what's element n mean? Everything but 1. Everything but 0. So I'm allowed 3, 2, 1, but I'm not allowed 0. Everybody got that? Now, what happens if I change this to element R? Or sorry, element Z? What does Z mean? Huh? It means any numbers are allowed, negative numbers as well. And this will go on for, goes on forever, doesn't it? There's so many numbers that are smaller than 3. Is that right? Now, let's change it up again. Okay, let's go back to where we were at the start, element n, yeah? What happens if it's, what happens if we change that to a less than 3? Oh, I didn't want that to happen. Oh, smart, are we? Okay, fine. Okay, less than 3, x element n. Is the 3 included? So therefore the 3 has to go back to just being a regular line. Okay, good. Now, go and try another one on you. What happens? Okay, what happens if it's x element 3? X less than 3. X element R. X element R. What does R mean? Every number. This includes negative numbers and positive numbers. So you hollow out the circle. Why do you hollow out the circle? 3 is not included. It's where 3 is not included because it has to be smaller than 3. Every number that's smaller than 3. This includes fractions and so therefore you just draw an arrow going this way and you shade it in. Is that right? Because it includes all the fractions and decimals. How does that change if it's less than or equal to 3? You add in 3 by filling it in. Is that right? Now, we remembered a lot of that. So let's go back to the very beginning before I took away all my writing at the top of the board. There we are. Now, what we're going to do next, guys, is we're going to try out a question. And I'll bring this down here. First question, we'll go for question 2. X minus 2 is a smaller number than 1. Bring the 2 over to your side. X is smaller than or equal to 1 plus 2. X is smaller than or equal to 3. X is an element of, where does it start? Is it dots or a shaded line? Is 3 included? Why? It's an equal to. It's smaller than or equal to 3. So it's 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, and you can go on forever. Is that alright? That's your first one done. What about question 3? Question 3, guys. What do you think? Greater than 5x, he skipped a step, 3 plus 7, and he got 10. Okay, after that, x is a bigger number than 2. Now, man, we're just going to, there we go. X is a bigger number than 2, so how do we do that? X is a bigger number than 2, guys. Is 2 included? No, because it's not equal to 2. It has to be bigger than 2. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You're not going to draw them all. Okay. Now, that's 2 and 3, yeah? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try question 5. Any idea how to do question 5, guys? Just recycle this again. Wait a minute. The haunted board is coming back to haunt me. There we go. So 3x minus 4. 3x minus 1 is greater than equal to minus 4. X is an element of R. What does that mean? We're going to be drawing the line. It's either going to be a hollow dot or a full dot. Okay? Full dot because the equal sign is there. Minus 4 plus 1. The minus 4 is there. And the 1 comes to join it. Minus 3 plus, minus 4 plus 1. Minus 3 divided by 3. Now, all the numbers that are bigger than minus 1, bigger than or equal to, does that include minus 1? It includes it. And then it keeps going up, and then you draw an arrow. And that's it. You didn't draw the arrow? Yeah. Yes. If you drew dots, you get marked down. You have to draw the arrow going to the right. Means it goes on forever. It means minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way up. And now you have to draw the shaded line until the arrow. Okay. Let's try another one. Question 8. Any ideas how to do question 8, guys? I'll just get my I'll get my beloved number line back. 2, 3, and 5 so far. Okay. How did you do this one? Go on, Charlie. Tell me how to do it. Okay. Bring the 1 over. Okay. For x greater than equal to a. And then greater than or equal to 2. Numbers that are greater than or equal to 2. List them. Make a list. Just tell me what numbers are greater than or bigger than 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it goes on forever. Is there a reason why we didn't shade them in? Why didn't we shade them in? It's n. It doesn't include decimals, okay? So that's 2, 3, 5, and 8. And now I'm going to do 14. Solutions contain a fraction. So, oh, that's an interesting one. Let's do 14. Okay. Now, what happens now, guys? 3x minus 1 greater than or equal to 4. Bring over the 1. What do we get? 3x is greater than or equal to 5. Divided by 3. X is greater than or equal to 5 over 3. Where exactly is 5 over 3? 1.66, 1.67? Where's that located? That's about 1.5, isn't it? About there. Is it included? Yeah. And then all the numbers that are bigger than it, you shade it in and draw. Is that alright? Do you want to see another fraction one done? They're tough, aren't they? They're tricky. Need to know exactly where it is. 16, okay. 16 is the last one. I'll do. No. Yep. Now, 16. 5x plus 2 less than or equal to 8. Bring the 2 over to your side. Will be 6. 8 minus 2, which is 6. And then, less than 6 over 5. Now, what is 6 over 5? Where is 1.2 located? Is it smaller than or bigger than? It's equal to, which means it's going to be a filled in dot. And then you're just going to shade it and draw an arrow. Everybody right with that? Okay.